Okay, anyways, I clearly already did my face. I basically have everything done. Foundation, I powdered already, I bronzed up. I just need the finishing touches, which I'm just gonna do on camera. I'm really getting ready for no reason. I'm not gonna, oh shit. Why is it when I turn on the camera, just dumbass shit starts happening? I don't know if I wanna do like full beat, but I definitely did not do like my natural regular makeup for sure, because like I definitely feel like beat. So I did brown smoky on my cousin like the other day, and I kind of want to do one on myself and make it a little Christmassy and make it a little bit more safe. So because on her I totally went out, like I don't know about the lighting, again it looks really washed out to me right now, but I just want to get this going because I didn't even charge my battery that much. So I cut the cheek. I'm gonna take it off already actually, and I haven't set my face at all, like spray wise, and I'm just gonna leave that until like the finishing touches, because I don't want to finish bronzing up without doing blush, since I want to see how the eyes are going to turn out. We're basically just going to be using my Morphe palette, this one here, the Dare to Create, just because I'm completely obsessed with all the colors. It's just fucking easy. I just don't know where to put all my brushes. I want to start with something really light, but that's going to set the tone. So I'm just going to do, okay, let's just start with this color here, right on this edge. So with this shade, you're just gonna grab a round brush and you're just gonna put it all over your crease, and then just kind of blend it in there, make some like soft circles on the edge, just so you cover all the bases where you know you're gonna be doing some blending. This is like your blanket that's gonna be on the bottom. So that's pretty much the start. And again, I want to do like a cool tone brown. I'm scared, but that's the route that we're gonna go to or go on. So I'm just gonna grab another fluffy round brush and just kind of start building that brown that we want. I'm just gonna build it up with this color here. It's still pretty warm, but I feel like it's a good start. It's kind of like pinkish a little bit. So we're just gonna put this here. I'm being such a pussy. I'm just scared to go all in. I mean, if it fails, you know, you can always do a cut crease. That's the thing about smoky eyes. Like, if it goes south, just cut it up, put a light little color, and the top is gonna look blended as fuck. So you know what? We're just gonna go all in. There's no point of like itching around. So I'm just gonna go in with that dark color over here, this chocolatey one right on the edge. Why am I pointing at the wrong color? I'm gonna go with this one. And we're literally just gonna go in here. Okay, first of all, that's not blended, but it's like, wow, this would be a really cute color to do some brown liner with. And I'm being really shy at the corners just because it's better to pull out than to place it there, but I'm patting up, kind of almost blending it, just so the edge is softer. I'm gonna go back with this brush, and I'm gonna grab this other, the one that we went on top with. I'm gonna go in with that one, and we're just gonna go on top. And here you want to pull out, but in here you want to kind of pull in until you feel like you could blend. And then you're gonna dip into that brown right at the edge, and we're gonna build that color in. And we're going back into the lid. That way you buffed out that little, I guess, transition color. And now you're bringing into the mix that lid color. And you want to do big circles and have your hand outside here on the edge. That way you don't get anything harsh. But before we end it, we're going to go back and touch in with that darker color just so it really marries in. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Now we're going to go ahead and do the bottom lash line. which I always go with the Sonia Kashuk. I don't know what I would do with this brush. I definitely need to start looking for another one, but we're definitely gonna kind of do the same thing, but go in with only this one and then go in with yeah, this one, and then go in with this dark brown. Going in with that bigger pan color, and again, like I mentioned, you're gonna move that brush up, and then you really want to make it nice and smoky, not too clean. I hate when it's like a little sharp line. And I'm blending it down too, just that whole bottom part to be eyeshadow. And now with something thinner like this one, these come with the ABH palettes. You're gonna go ahead and use that dark color. You're gonna stamp it on the edge first, and then go in. And this is a shade that you want closest to your waterline. And like I said, you're gonna go back in, and you're gonna go in again with that deeper shade one more time all over the lid, and you're gonna blend it in one more time. You're gonna go in with a brush like this, kind of a little dense. You're just gonna pat it once. And like always, to soften things up, you're gonna go with that first color that we dipped into with the same brush, and you're gonna sweep on top of that line. How it meets your eyebrow, you're just gonna go in. And it's up to you. You can go back in how you want your smoky eye, if you want the chocolatiness to be more defined. But of course, you can't just keep it like this. It's not gonna be Christmassy if you keep it like this. So definitely gotta add some shimmer. I don't fuck with these shimmers in this palette. They're just a little too much. Like, I would call these like an overall lid type of shimmer. Like, they definitely are not like little toppers. I've always wanted to use this one in here, but I never use this palette ever. So I also kind of want to dip in here. I kind of want to use this almost black color all over. I think we're gonna do that with the same brush that we packed on that chocolate color. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I feel like it's not that sparkly. No, skip that. We're not gonna do that anymore. Okay, maybe we'll do antique bronze. No, you know what, let's just do it. I'm not gonna trip about where exactly I'm placing it, because I know my eyes are just gonna spread it everywhere in the end. I'm gonna use another gold color for my inner corner. I'm gonna use from the Modern Renaissance my favorite gold, which is Primavera. I'm showing it to the mirror. This gold color is everything. So finishing touches, gonna go back in with my bronzer. The same bronzer I use, I'm just gonna go in with a different brush, something a little more round. Go back in to really bronzen up my skin. And whatever we lost to me cleaning up, like, it's gonna come back a little bit. Okay, now for a blush, I definitely think something like Gingerly is gonna be cute. This is Gingerly from MAC. Where's that shit? Okay, I almost forgot to highlight my brow bone. I always forget to do that. Anyways, I'm gonna put my lashes off. I'm gonna put my lashes off camera because it's gonna take forever. Then we'll meet back for lips. I think that's a good one. It's really hard to do this ridge on my lip, but if I don't do it, it looks like I didn't go all the way in. But if I accidentally go a little bit on the side of the edge, it looks like totally like if I overlined. So I have to do it right on the line. But we're gonna move on to lip. I don't know which one I'm gonna do under. Peach Stock is way too much. No, a girl got needs. This one's good. Yeah, just a little bit. I've also been dying to use a Dose of Color one. This one's really beigey, but I don't know, I really want to use Peanut Brittle. I think I could have definitely gone cooler with the eyes. I don't know what y'all think. Okay, so now we're gonna finally spray the face, but I don't have my favorite spray. Oh no. Okay, I have to bring it because I'm obsessed with that thing, and there's no way I'm gonna finish the video without spraying my face with that. So anyways, I found it. It's the Morphe one. This shit. Oh, like honestly, now that we're gonna talk about that, like Morphe is good, but like most of the times it's not exactly what people want to make it seem. Like definitely influencers, you know, hype that shit up a bit, but some of this shit is like fire, like straight up fire. And this is one of the things. The sponge is complete bullshit. I'm like sick and tired of people saying that that sponge is everything. Like I disagree, but that fire. This palette is fucking fire. Like other shades that I have, like the blue ones that I got from them, these blue turquoise ones, my goodness. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of highlight. I'm gonna dip in again, like always, with Global Glow and Soft and Gentle, just because without one it's £2, just with only the Global Glow it's too dark sometimes, even though right now I think I could pull it off. But if I was doing like a natural look, it would be a little too dark. This is it. This is the look. I was trying to find a cute sweater or blouse, but everything I have is like still summer, so I definitely need to go shopping a little bit more. So I just put this on, and it has like a really weird stain on it. Again, I don't know how the lighting looks. Hopefully it doesn't look bad, but I cut my hair and I thought I went at a decent length. Sorry, it's like really flat. It's just my hair is so oily. Honestly, like looking at it now, it's like I definitely am gonna be going shorter, like for sure. And I also fucked up because like I cut my own bangs, and I didn't realize that when you do like you kind of have to keep them long, but I just have to have bangs because I usually don't straighten my hair. So I was like, no way, I need my little swoop on my curly days, so I couldn't do all that. But I'm planning to go shorter, so hopefully that works out. Anyways, yeah, I don't know how this tutorial went. I was faded most of it, so I don't even know if I was just rambling the whole time or if hopefully it's actually a tutorial. But okay, anyways, I'll see y'all in the next video. Hopefully this one wasn't straight trash. Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below, any looks. But if you really want to see anything, just hit me up there. Hit me up on IG or Snapchat. Everything at Beatbychai. Anyways, all products are going to be down below. So yeah, bye.